Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on filter comments on live streaming and TikTok. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your TikTok applications, and then you need to tap, and then once you open up at the bottom of your mobile screen, and then you need to select or tap this plus sign. And then again here at the bottom, then we have two options here like post and live, and then select live. And again, on your mobile screen, then there's the notifications pop up here that you need to select this settings. And then at settings, and then you need to scroll down and find and locate this comment settings, and then click. So here in comments, under at manage comments, and then you need to select filter comments, and then tap again. So here now at filter comments, and then we need to enable this spam comments. And on right side, you can see this circle icon, and then you need to check. And the other one is potentially unkind comments. So we need to check also. And then community plug comments, then we need to enable also. And under at community plug comments, so we have option setting here that show filtered comments and paid. So it's up to you if you want to enable or disable. So this feature allows TikTok to automatically filter comments that may be spammy or offensive based on its algorithms. These comments will be hidden from view unless you approve them, and protect also creators and content. So that's why we need to turn on filter comments. Alright guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on TikTok settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.